Here's our celebration lunch, Will. Yeah. Celebration, Onisimo.
Yeah.
Oscar, celebration? Yeah. No, no more In-N-Out burger? No.
Okay, enjoy your lunch.
Huh? You gotta take a group picture before you go.
No, I'll come back. I'll come back.
Huh?
I'll be back.
Okay. Got it. Yee. Chinese food celebration. Woohoo! Chinese food celebration. Okay, Will, what did you buy?
I bought chow mein.
Where? Where's chow mein? Okay, Will like chow mein. Who? What? Onisimo, what did you buy?
He bought
Which one you? Broccoli beef. This one, right? Oh, broccoli beef. That was Onisimo. And Oscar, what you buy?
chicken beef.
Chicken. Almost the same. Almost. And then what you get, James?
One of the prawns.
Sweet
one.
sour.
This one.
Yeah.
All right. What did Will get? Oh, Will got this one. And what did Zach order?
Is it?
All of it.
Oh, and the vegetables, mine's right.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a 50-year-old man food right there. Woohoo! Woohoo!